Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the power cable replacement process on your Dyson HD01, we need to gather the necessary tools. You will need a screwdriver set, specifically a Torx screwdriver, and a flathead screwdriver. Additionally, have some electrical tape on hand for securing the new cable. First, ensure your vacuum cleaner is unplugged. Safety is paramount when handling electrical components. Locate the screws that hold the main housing together. There are typically 2 screws at the back and 1 on the side. Carefully remove these screws using your Torx screwdriver. Set them aside in a safe place to avoid losing them. Once the screws are out, gently pry open the vacuum casing using the flathead screwdriver. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the plastic. As you open the casing, you will notice the internal wiring and the connection point for the power cable. Now, locate the power cable connected to the main circuit board. This connection is usually secured with clips. Using your flathead screwdriver, gently release the clips to disconnect the old power cable. If the cable is stuck, wiggle it slightly until it comes free. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the vacuum. A clean environment ensures optimal performance. If you're unsure about handling this yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our experts can help assess the situation and guide you through the process. Next, take the new power cable and connect it to the same location on the circuit board. Make sure the connection is secure by pressing down firmly until you hear a click. If you don't have the tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get your vacuum repaired without any hassle. After connecting the new cable, it's time to reassemble the vacuum. Carefully align the casing back together, ensuring that all internal components are properly seated and not pinched. Replace the screws you removed earlier, tightening them securely with your Torx screwdriver. Finally, use a piece of electrical tape to secure the new cable to the housing, preventing any movement that could cause wear over time. Before plugging it back in, double-check that everything is in place and that no tools or debris are left inside the vacuum. To wrap up, if you prefer, we can provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. This way, you can make an informed decision without any surprises. Your Dyson HD01 is now ready for action with its new power cable, delivering the performance you expect. Remember, no calls, no travel, just convenience at your fingertips. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.